Of the move by RBI, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the Bimal Jalan Committee was constituted by the central bank and not by the government. The recommendations by the committee are expected to reform the capital framework of the Reserve Bank and also direct the surplus fund to strengthen the economy.
On the mega surplus fund transfer of Rs 1.76 lakh crore by the Reserve Bank of India to the government, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has hit back at the criticism by the opposition parties. She said that Congress leader Rahul Gandhi should first consult former finance ministers and senior leaders from his own party before levelling allegations.
कांग्रेस पार्टी कम से कम रिजर्व बैंक के मामले में उनके यहाँ जो भी फिनांस मिनिस्टर्स थे, जितने भी सीनियर्स थे, उन सब से बात करने के बाद उनका आरोप डालना चाहिए था। फिर भी वो चोर कहने के विषय में तो अभी माहिर हो गए हैं, इसलिए मैं उसको इतना परवाह नहीं करना था।
She further clarified that the Bimal Jalan committee that made the recommendations for surplus fund transfer was constituted by the RBI itself and not the centre, and therefore no one should question the credibility of the central bank.
The Bimal Jalan committee had eminent experts in it. It was constituted by the Reserve Bank themselves and not by the government. They have had several sittings and have said or have come out with a formula. Like the committees which looked at the excess capital framework earlier. So this is a committee which the Reserve Bank appointed, had experts. They have given a formula based on which the amount is arrived at.
Earlier, RBI implemented the recommendations of the Bimal Jalan committee and approved a dividend and surplus fund transfer of Rs 1.76 lakh crore to the government. The central bank said RBI board under leadership of Governor Shaktikant Das approved transfer of Rs 1,76,051 crore rupees to the government. The amount consists of Rs 1,23,414 crore as surplus or dividend for 2018-19 and another Rs 52,637 crore from its surplus reserves. The new surplus amount has been calculated on the basis of revised provisions of Economic Capital Framework for the Reserve Bank. Since 2013-14, the RBI has been paying 99% of its disposable income to the government. The Bimal Jalan committee was asked to determine how much surplus should the RBI have. Finance Secretary Rajiv Kumar represented the government in the committee. The committee finalized its report on 14th of August. The receipt from the RBI will give a fillip to the government's effort to boost the economy. The additional cash will also give the centre more headroom for stimulating the economy. With Yogesh Sheetal in Mumbai.